Alright, I think I figured it out finally. This is the setup that I got going on here. Side mount, because that one was like too much at an angle, but I'll still use it sometimes. So I had to use like the side mount with this one because I couldn't use just a regular off the top. So I had to use an angle, and then I had to use a conversion. And then I took the top or the connector from my like window car mount and then put another conversion. I know it looks funny as hell. It works. And now the GoPro's upright, so. And it looks good, and I can change literally every angle that I need. Alright. Got the angling all done properly. I made a video. I tested the video with the GoPro. Vertical, it wasn't horizontal like it is right now, so. And it was like 20 minutes of footage too. I went down the trail and did some burnouts and donuts and all sorts of stuff, and some wheelies, a lot of wheelies. But anyways, I got it all fixed. Hi everybody, you're on the side of the helmet. Hopefully the footage or the angling's good. I can see the GoPro a little bit, but it's better than it was. But yeah, so I'm just gonna ride around a little bit. My girlfriend's on the way. I'm excited. The tires are a little flat, but whatever. Little trail out of the back of the house. It leads to the power lines, which is really cool. But it's a little rough, and it only gets harder. It only gets more tough. But right now, this hill is a lot steeper than the video can show, than the GoPro can show. Like I'm pretty much full on the front brake, and there's no rear brakes, which sucks. But anyways, fuck you. Rock right there. This one's fun right here. Alright, on the last video the angling was a little off, so I changed the angling. Wheelie stuff, guys. I had to air up the tires. Just doing this thing again. Don't worry.
Want me to tip it up some?
Why is it pointing at the ground? It's not pointing at the ground.
Okay.
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 I've had this wheeler for so long, like 8 years, 9 years. All done. I'm gonna go edit this video. There's a lot of footage.